Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix display black and white on H70 Fusion. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so first of all go to app library, scroll down, and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display. If you want to fix this problem, and turn off dark mode. After turn off dark mode, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved, but if it's not solved, go to app library and again click on settings app. Scroll down to and click on click on system. After click on system, click on reset option. After click on reset option, click on reset all setting. After click on reset all setting, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to and click on system and click on reset option and factory reset. After click on factory reset, you will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix black and white display on H70 Fusion. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.